everyone. I'm Hans from Gaga Asia first LGBTQ and BL streaming services. So get ready for Heartbeat, the ultimate BLCP talent competition where chemistry sizzles and passion explodes onto the screen. We're finding the next Asia big superstars. Gaga of 4 million members, 166 million social reach, and across 249 territories. We know the BL universe inside and out. We've built the global stage for BL fans, and now we're taking it to the next level with Heartbeat. Let's take it like a teaser.
A global search for Asia's next BL idol sensation.
Hello guys, สวัสดีครับ
Konnichiwa.
Hello everyone.
12 boys, but only one ultimate couple will rise.
I know a dream isn't guaranteed.
对我来说又是一个新的挑战。
A journey of heartbeats where talent and chemistry ignite. Who will capture your heart? The competition is on. Only one pair will claim the leading role of their dreams. Heartbeat, feel the beat.
Wow, did you feel the heartbeat? Any kind of house pounding? So 12 gorgeous guys, 6 explosive pairings, a look, a touch, a kiss that struck times. This isn't a talent show, this is a chemistry factory. And just like the world dedicated on BL industry, Netflix have BL boyfriends, IG have Kim Porsche, and also Heartstopper rock in the Western country. We know that BL industry is just like K-pop creating stars. It's a 5 billion market and exploding like a supernova with over 130 million fans worldwide. And Thailand's BL related industry is growing by 40% every year. And Heartbeat, it's not just part of the trend. We are leading it. The future of fan-driven entertainment. So what is the secret sauce? We have 3 key elements. So the first one, captivating stories. From school sweet loves to office romances. Second, huge fan engagement. You choose the winners. Third, mentoring from BL icons. Bring real world experience and superpower to the show. And how does it work? We have 3 star making formula. It's pretty simple. So discovery, develop, and debut. 10 boys enter, sparks fly, chemistry ignites. Through playful challenges, they grow, they connect, and become true on-screen partners. The top couples then compete in pilot episodes for life-changing BL drama contract and the heart of the millions. Heartbeat is a talent-driven business, ready to scale. Global licensing, merchandise, fan events, talent management. We're building a BL empire, and we are taking investors along for the ride. Ready to ignite a global phenomenon? Heartbeat, the beat of stardom, sparked by chemistry. Join us, feel the beat. Let's create the next generation of superstars. Thank you.